Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to register on Hashtray and receive your bonus of $30 immediately you register. And you're going to be using the $30 to mine free dollars. And your dollars, once you get up to $1, you can simply place a withdrawal. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to register successfully and claim the $30 bonus. So before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that there are other any opportunities I will share only to my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video on how to make money online. So with that being said and done, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving the link to the website at the description of the video. So this is the link. It's going to be the first link under this particular video you're watching right now. So once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to allow it to load. It's going to check your browser, so you're going to allow it to load. Once it's going to take you straight to the website. You're going to click on register plus $30. So once you click on the register button, this blue register button right here, click on it. After clicking on the button, it's going to take you to the registration page. Once you get to the page, simply enter your login information, that is your username. So the registration is very simple, just your username, then your password, that's all. So you can enter any username of your choice. So I'm going to enter Bitcash Media without space. So I'm going to remove the space. You can choose anything for your username, just a username. Any username for choice is okay. Okay, so let me use BTC Media. Then your password, just choose any password. Yeah, choose any password, just use any password. Yeah. Okay, so click on the register button. Then you're going to land on this page. So once you land on this page, as you can see, investment bonus $30. So you successfully claimed the $30 registration bonus. So all you have to do is just leave the app to mine, and once you get to $1, you place a withdrawal. So that's how it is. You're not doing anything on the website, just register. Make sure you register. The site is legit, very legit. They are paying constantly. So make sure you register and leave your dashboard like that. It's going to be mining automatically. So now you can also claim another free $3. So I'm going to show you how to claim the free $3. So to claim that $3 for free, you have to go over to their Telegram community. As you can see Telegram, click on the subscribe. It's going to take you to Telegram. Once it takes you to Telegram, open your Telegram app and then send the command. You can do that, then you're going to get plus $3 bonus. Okay, let me just do it right now. So click on subscribe and then open your Telegram and then send the command. Just click on start. That's all. Then go back to your dashboard. When you go back, you're going to see reload the screen. So when you reload the screen, you're going to see $3 added to the $30 investment bonus. So you're going to have total $33. So it's going to increase your mining speed rate. So Hashtray is very legit, guys. So you just have to do it. Then you're going to end. Once you get to $1, you place withdrawal. Once you get to another $1, you place another withdrawal again. The site is paying steadily. So when you want to do it, so there are other ways of earning on this site, which I'm going to be showing you. They have several withdrawal methods. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw funds. So to withdraw your funds, you just click on withdraw funds, then you locate payer. So once you click on payer is the best option we're going to be using, because payer for this site, that's the best. Because I've tried most of them and I see payer is the best. So you choose payer, then enter your wallet number for payer, then enter the amount $1, which is the minimum, and then you place withdrawal. It's going to enter your payer account in less than 20 minutes. Your withdrawal is very fast. So that is it about their withdrawal. They have different payment methods, but you can just stick to the particular payment method here. That is payer. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a payer account in my next video. I'm going to leave the link to the video under the description of this video when I've created it, but currently I haven't created the video. But I'm going to create it. You're going to just check the description if the link to the video is there. Then they have affiliate program. The affiliate program is going to pay you up to $4 per referral. As you can see right here, it's a $4 for each referral. So each friend you bring is going to give you $4, which will increase your mining rates. So just do it, guys. Invite friends. You get $4 for each friend you refer. And you're going to get for level 1, level 2, and level 3 referrals. So just copy your referral link here and start referring your friends. you get $4 for each person you refer. So if you bring 10 friends, you're going to get a total of $40. So that is how easy it is.